guys! Welcome to Kai's Vlog! Yes! Today we are gonna guess the drawing. We're gonna play guess the drawing. So I'm gonna draw first. So I know where. Okay, you guess it na. Bilisan mo ah. I'm just looking at it. Adult? No, adult. Ano ba? Sabi niya adult. Okay. Adult. Focus lang ako. Focus. Let me cook, bro! Let me cook! Cat. Oh, very good! May tapusin ko lang itong drawing ko. Not kulay mahaba. It looks like this. Tapos, lagyan mo ng kulay black. Hey, it looks like this. Hey, look. Tapos na ako sa drawing ko. Sino naman next? Ako! Okay, naman. Dito, sa tabi ng drawing ko. Dito. Oo na. Isipin mo yung i-drawing mo. Going to the next. May eraser dyan. Oh, really? Cat! Wait lang. No, she's not there. Di ba ako tapos pabayaan ko. Wait lang. Ito, pwede ako. Ito kasi gusto kasi dyan. Pwede si Skyly watch. Yung dali, apple. Apple yan, te. Apple. Ang dali. Ayun, apple, apple! Ang dali, man. Who's next? No, not there here. I'm just drawing an anime. Anime? Sorry, Lord. That's not even ano ba yan? You know what happened to Narito? Narito. Ang dali. Because you say the answer. That's Naruto. Ano pag hindi ka mukha ng Naruto? That's done. It's done na. My turn. Anas! I'm done na. Hey. I'm done now. We guess the drawing na But it doesn't look like Naruto. Oh, because you say the answer. It's we know the answer. And why is Alpha doing that? I don't know. It smells like diaper changes and cat changes. Sabi pa balik na. Ay, huwag na. Yan na lang. Ano ba? So, okay. You realize what I look like? Ilalagay ko dito. Let's go. Is it 20 now? Or is it 21? Or is it 2025? Hey! Cat! Tapos na nga ako dyan. Comes aso? No. Take another guess. Ano ba yun? Sira. Ano ba? Hindi ko makita drawing ko, te. Hey! Makita. Hey! I saw the Naruto party. Last time I go to market. After lunch. Yummy, cat. Yummy. Wait lang, ulitin ko nga lang. This time medyo malaki lang. Wait lang, may gagawin ako sa drawing mo. Yung kulay ng drawing mo. Wow! Magagawa ko shading. Shadow. Shalala. Rolala. Hoy! Bad words. Huwag mo na sabihin. Malaki to. Peppa Pig. Daddy Pig. Yan. I'm doing this. I know. Not my shoes. Kawawa naman ng pusa. And nalalamigan na sila ka. I'm just going to hide them here. And the other one here.
Guys!
Sira na siya.
Kalamsan.
So, magka-crazy yun naman. Crazy. Mami pig. Mami pig. Hindi. Basta. Gasan natin. Pera mo. What is this?
Papa
Uy,
pig.
wag! May ano yan, may lens.
Papa.
Okay lang. Bawal siya sa bata. Ako na nga pwede. Kasi may ano yan, may gravity. What is this? Ano ba yan? Uminom na lang. Okay. May ginawa siyang mali.
What is Tito Mac going out?
Kaya, watch na.
Hey, when is Tito Mac going out?
I don't know. Mommy cut. Mommy cut.
Who's Mama?
Pick another cat. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
This is it.
Wenda.
No? Sisa. No, sisa.
Wenda.
Sorry.
I said Wenda.
No.
Wenda.
Take another guess. Miranda. Take another guess. Oh, wait.
Wenda.
Cat, kitten.
Cat. Kitten.
Cat, kitten.
Will die.
Diba?
Tututa.
Ano yan? Vampire cat? Yan, vampire. Ganun nga talaga yung mga pusa eh. Yan, ano to?
Why is episode silent?
How to spell Sprunky again? I forgot.
Sprunky.
Sprunky.
Sprunky yan.
Sprunky. Sprunky.
Wenda.
Kulayan natin ng red.
I mean, it's Wenda.
No!
It's Wenda the Sprunky. Oh, it's not Wenda the Sprunky. Okay, then. Do you know the cucumber chips is very healthy?
Yeah, boo. Kulay red. You don't guess it just in time. It's Sprunky Baby Wenda. Okay.
Oh, man!
The next one is Kael this time. The next one is Kael. Oh. You draw na.
Fine, I'm just looking in the sand.
Just, it's a cartoon, okay? Here. Ayan, hindi naman din yung labo. Kaklase mo ako. Ano yung mga kaklase ko?
I'm going to draw it. I hope you guess.
Sino yung teacher mo pag ano ka na grade 2? Teacher of Jacob.
Huh?
Teacher of Jacob.
Who's teacher Jacob?
Teacher Ruth Jacob. That's my teacher. In grades. Akin hindi ko pa alam.
It's the same name as Jacob.
Yeah. That's my teacher. Teacher Ruth Jacob. Huh? Si Ruth? Teacher Ruth? Grabe, pinagano si Jacob tsaka si Teacher Ruth. Teacher mo ba yan? Yung Teacher Ruth? Yung Teacher Ruth nga. Hindi ko yung kilala. Teacher Ruth kasi, Teacher mo ba yun? Hindi.
Well, I'm doing someone that looks like a sponge. Well, I'm doing someone that...
That's SpongeBob. We know it already. Next. We know it na. It's Ellie's turn. It's Ellie's turn na. Because we know it na. It's SpongeBob.
Why does he look like that?
Ako. Ito. Ayoko dyan. Daan na. Dyan na. Sabi nung dyan na.
Hello.
Dito ka na kasi.
Ako dito.
Kasi dito na.
No, it's
ko pa. Ay. Wait lang, gagawin. Kaya ka muna. Sabi ko, dito ka magano eh. Hebaram. Sabi ka naman. Okay, guys, na gawin. Ouch. I guess it was Catwick's turn. Patrick is not here. I think it's SpongeBob's turn. We have SpongeBob up. Where will I get him? I have an invisible SpongeBob. Eraser. Eraser. I go. I can't do that. Where am I going to set the fire? What? I'm going to set the fire in your mouth. I'm sure. Where am I going to edit? Where am I going to edit? Never. Where am I going to edit? Whoa. Okay, you end it. Let's go take a picture first. Let's take a picture. Tara! Ay, gawin natin pa ganon. Ako muna. Kuya, umaya ka.
Kuromi yan eh.
Alam na namin. Kuromi yan. Mamaya. Hindi, ako muna. Diba, gaganon ako. Ikaw naman sunod, Ellie. Hindi kasi pa ganyan. Paganon ka. Oh! Paganon ka. Ha? Paganon ka. Sige. Okay, El. No, not like that. You do the same as me. No, not there. Here. Not there. Here kasi. To Ellie's head. To Ellie's head. And press the picture. Why not?